So now let's see how we can utilize the smooth tool to remove out number of points in a shape. So over here, I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say, a rectangular shape right here. And then let me just go around and fill it out with a color right here. And now I'm going to go around onto the shape tool right here. And then let's just go around and add in some points right here. Let's just go around and convert this into a curve right here and then add in a few points right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here, add in a few points right here, just like this. I'm going to go around and add in a bit of point right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then add in a few points right here. So you can see that I can go around, add in a bit of details right here. I can go ahead, add in some points right here, just like this, double click, add in some point, and then you can see that I may eventually get a lot of points as I click on editing this out right here. But usually having a lot of points like this is not good because it doesn't make things very smooth right here. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and maintain this particular shape itself, but I want the points to get removed. In that case, what you can do is you can utilize something called the smooth tool. So to do that, you need to go around over here and you can see that smooth is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag it out right here, just like this, then you can see that I can go ahead and smoothen things out right here. So here are a bunch of points, as you can see right here. Simply click and drag around right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it'll smoothen it out right here while maintaining the shape right here, just like this. It does change out the shape a bit as well, but you can see that it makes it much more smoother right here. And this is how you can go around and make it much more smoother so that the number of points right here is actually lower right here, just like this. You can also choose this smooth intensity right here, and then you can make it much more smoother as well, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and you can go around, change around the smoothness, let's say, for example, length as well, just like this, and smoothen out it out accordingly right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the smooth tool inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.